Understanding Party Invitations, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of party invitations. Whether you're planning to host a party or have received an invite, understanding this phrase is key to socializing and participating in events. So, let's dive in. A party invitation is a request for someone to attend a party or gathering. It can be formal or informal, depending on the event's nature. These invitations can come in various forms: a physical card, an email, a text message, or even a verbal invitation. They typically include details like the date, time, location, and type of party. Understanding this helps in responding appropriately and preparing for the event. Every party invitation includes some essential information. Let's break it down. Host's name, who is organizing the party. Type of party, birthday, wedding, farewell, etc. Date and time, when the event will take place. Location, where it's happening. RSVP, a request for a response to confirm attendance. These details are crucial for guests to know what to expect and how to prepare. Responding to an invitation is as important as receiving one. There are generally two responses. Accepting indicates that you will attend. It's polite to express gratitude and enthusiasm. Declining, if you can't attend, it's courteous to decline politely and thank the host for the invitation. In formal settings, timely responses are essential. Different cultures have various etiquettes surrounding party invitations. For example, in some cultures, it's common to bring a gift for the host. In others, punctuality is highly valued, while some may expect guests to arrive fashionably late. Understanding these cultural nuances is vital in social interactions. We hope this video has helped clarify the concept of party invitations and how to navigate them in English. Remember, party invitations are not just about the event itself but also about building relationships and understanding cultural practices. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.